called BT Pilates, warm-up and warm-down exercises for prevention of Achilles tendinosis. These exercises are putting a lot of strength and agility back into the whole body, so they're worth it for many other reasons. The first exercises are toe walks, heel walks, and then heel and toe walks. The toe walks, we come onto the balls of toes. We squeeze narrow through the front of the foot, pressing the balls of toes and squeezing first and second ball of toe together, up with the heels. Walk on a tightrope. You'll notice I got this forward lean on my body. Forward lean. And then walk backwards. Balls of toes, balls of toes, balls of toes, balls of toes. Second exercise, knees wide. I want you to imagine you're straddled over a fat miniature horse and press into the balls of toes, knees wide, balls of toes, balls of toes. Now, almost quite naturally, the front of the foot's going to lift. And back, knees wide, balls of toes. Next exercise are heel walks. Now the balance is a little difficult if we try to tightrope walk on the heels, so we can use a wall or a fence or one or two walking sticks. And again, I've got this forward lean on the body. And back. Because the forward lean just helps other body parts come in and be used. Wide, straddled over a fat miniature horse, knees wide, toes up, knees wide, toes up. You can see there's a lot of sporting style agility coming into the whole body. But we're getting strong shins. That'll stop the front of the foot landing hard and jar your Achilles. And then there's heel and toe. We walk heel and toe forwards. We have the toes up and wide, and then we roll into the front of the foot. Pinky toe, ball of toe first. Fourth, third, second, first ball of toe, and we're there. Toes up, balls of toes press into the ground, and so on. And then we do the reverse walk, it's toe and heel. Push the front of the foot narrow, the balls of toes squeeze together, and down we go. Front of the foot, balls of toes squeeze together. Weight it up and down we go. Balls of toes, and down we go. Balls of toes and down we go. That was the 3 styles of exercises. Toe walking, heel walking, and then heel and toe and heel. At all times you're squeezing the front of the foot narrow, pressing the balls of toes into the ground, and squeezing the balls of toes together. You can use that for a warm-up and a warm-down, and if you need it, you can massage your shins and calf muscles. This is how. Shins and calf muscle massage. We want some sort of object to put a ball on. A tennis ball is good. It's nice to have your back against the wall. And from here, we can massage the calf muscle. There's some good knots and sore spots in that muscle. As you can see, I've done the middle line of the calf muscle. We can do the pinky toe side. Just lean the foot over. And so on. Right up to just under the knee. We don't massage that crease at the back of the knee. We can massage the big toe side as well. Like a little higher, a little higher. If we need to, we can get our thumbs in there at any point along that muscle as well. Shin muscle massage. Just pop the ball in and away you go. And if you need to, you can get on an angle. That's actually very nice there. And we can come right over to the side of the shin bone. That's the peroneus muscle. And so right down the leg, close to the ankle. You can just move the body forward here. Warm up and warm down drills for Achilles maintenance. This is Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates.